Hello students, I Jay Khatri from Macrovision Academy, Burhanpur. In this video, I will explain you some tools of Photoshop. Tool panel. The tool panel contains a collection of tools that let you work with different aspects of image. Some of the categories of tools that will be discussed in this chapter are selection tools, painting tools, drawing tools, type tools, and retouching tool. One by one, I will explain you. Selection tools. This refers to the region in an image that will be affected by the various tools. Once you have selected an area, you can apply a tool to it, such as paintbrush, or perform an operation, such as copy or crop. Selection can be any shape and size. The shape depends on which selection tool you are working with. Many types of selection tools are available, like Move tool, Marquee tool, Lasso tool, Quick selection tool, and Crop tool. One by one, I will explain. Move tool. Move tool is used to move the selection and layer. Marquee tool. Marquee tool is used to make rectangular selections. Lasso tool. Lasso tool is used to make freehand or snap to selection. Quick selection tool. Quick selection tool is used to make you quickly paint a selection using a round brush. Crop tool. Crop tool is used to crop the image. Marquee tool. Many types of marquee tools are available, like rectangular marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool, single row marquee tool, single column marquee tool. One by one, I will explain you. Rectangular marquee tool. Rectangular marquee tool is used to make rectangular selection. Elliptical marquee tool. Elliptical marquee tool is used to make elliptical selection. Single row marquee tool. This tool is used to make one row selection. Single column marquee tool. This tool is used to make one column selection. Lasso tool. Many types of lasso tools are available. Lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool. One by one, I will explain you. Lasso tool. This tool is used to make a freehand selections. Polygonal lasso tool. This tool is used to make a straight line selection. Magnetic lasso tool. This tool is used to make a selection with snap to a edge on an image. Quick selection tool. Quick selection tools try to find the edges of an object, or you can say image. Once you have selected an image or object, you can hold the Shift key down and add to the selection. Hold the Alt key down and subtract from the selection. Magic Wand tool. The Magic Wand tool works like a magic eraser. It works by selecting a consistently colored area. You set the tolerance for the changes in color. Note: you can invert the selection by clicking on Select, after that click on Inverse. Crop tool. The crop tool allows you to select an area of an image and discard everything outside this. This tool is located third from the top in the Photoshop toolbox on the left side. You can see in this diagram. How to use crop tool? Step 1. On the tool panel, click on crop tool. Step 2. Click and drag the tool on the portion of an image that you would like to show. Step 3. Drag the corner handles to resize. Step 4. Click and drag the middle portion to move the cropped area. Step 5. Press Enter key and the cropped image will be displayed. Now you can see one example of crop tool. Select the crop tool in the toolbox, then select an area of an image to retain. You can see this is original image. This is select an area with the crop tool. You can see this is selected area. Now you can see the after cropping output is this. Move tool. The move tool allows you to move a selection or entire layer by dragging it with your mouse or using your keyboard arrow keys. The move tool is located at the top right of the Photoshop toolbox. You can see in this diagram. When the move tool is selected, click and drag anywhere in the image. By default, if an area is selected, the selection will be moved, otherwise the whole layer will be moved. Now I will explain you how to use move tool. Step 1. On the tool panel, click on move tool. After that, click and drag your mouse to the object. Step 2. To resize the object, or you can say image, you have moved to another image. After that, press Ctrl plus T. T means transform, and drag the image by the handles. So dear students, I hope you understood the concept of some tools of Photoshop, and remaining tools I will explain you in next video. Thank you and have a nice day.